Senator Panfilo Lacson wasted no time refuting claims by former Senior Associate Justice Antonio Carpio against the anti-terrorism bill. He said a number of provisions in the measure are unconstitutional and is ready to join those who will question it before the Supreme Court. Lacson, a non-lawyer, focused on Section 29 of the bill, or detention without warrant of arrest. Carpio argued the written authority of the Anti-Terrorism Council is necessary to arrest a person suspected of terrorism. The former magistrate pointed out this is, quote, obviously unconstitutional since only a judge can issue an arrest warrant. But Lacson clarified the council's written authority is not an authority to order an arrest. It's illogical and even absurd, Lacson said, to think that the council will issue an authorization granting the arrest. Lacson explained not all police officers are trained interrogators and investigators, especially when it comes to terrorism. Now, these specially trained law enforcement officers and military personnel shall need a written authority from the council to perform their tasks. The senator also clarified the council's authority to designate terrorist individuals and organizations does not authorize arrest and detention. Carpio argued that once designated, the individual can now be arrested upon the council's order because he or she is engaged in terrorism. But Lacson said this is not only inaccurate, this is plain and simple wrong. He explained designation is purely an executive and administrative process in order to freeze properties and assets of designated terrorist individuals or groups. Justice Carpio also said if the anti-terrorism bill becomes a law, the country will be in a situation worse than martial law. He explained under the Constitution, a declaration of martial law only authorizes warrantless detention for 3 days. But Lacson said the proposed period of detention of up to 14 days and extension to another 10 days should be treated as a policy decision of Congress, citing the unique nature and impact of terrorism. On the part of Malacanang presidential spokesperson Harry Roque said the president has no problem with the provision. Anjo Alimario, CNN Philippines.